A mini shopping haul. First, I got this Parker roller pen in Latitude. It's a new variant. And then I got this Submarine Arrow ball pen in rose gold. Very pretty. Next, we got three fridge magnets. First, this elephant, which is very cute. Next, this Kolkata one, which is Howrah Bridge and Kolkata yellow taxi. And lastly, Ma Durga. The quality of the magnet is very good. We also got this perfume from Zara, perfect for the fall season. Lastly, my sister got this Harry Potter book. She's a huge Potterhead, so yeah. And that's it. Tata.